Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this ESFOE smartwatch. Features all kinds of stuff. Basically monitors your steps, your calories. You can monitor all your social media on here, a bunch of different things. So have our little instruction manual here. Here's our watch. It's got this little charge for 15 minutes before. Pair by downloading the app. Reset the watch if pairing is abnormal. Okay, has this nice little wipe down cloth for that, and the instructions. This comes with a magnetic charger there that attaches to the back of the watch. You have your choice of either a metal band or a silicone band, so that is nice, and also has the little device here for switching out the metal parts to make it smaller. It's a pretty heavy duty band there. That feels pretty good. Okay, so you have to download the Glory Fit app for your phone, and I have that on there. Oh, that's cool. Check that out. Okay, to make sure I got this thing going. Okay, so got the app on here, and I'm just going to connect it to my phone here. All right, let's check it out here. Okay, well, make sure you get the right Glory Fit app. One is Glory Space Fit, and the one is Glory Fit. You want the Glory Fit one, not the Glory Space Fit. It has a little thing in the instructions. So I downloaded one, was not the right app. Anyways, this thing is really cool. So have it connected. I put this little face on there, and I can control. I got my phone set up here. I can go to my music, hit play on my phone. Starts playing music right here. Pause it. With that, I can skip the next song.
Did you know that
it changes it right there.
Us days at US Cellular.
Has all the little, turn my volume up and down on this as well. Really cool. Hit the pause button. Nice and responsive. Got a lot of different things on here. I'll show you guys. You can change the face of it. It shows the time, my heart rate if I put it on here. Nice and responsive. Fits nice on my wrist too. Perfect size there. When you move it, it shows the battery life. You can do different faces on there as well. Really, really nice so far. A little bit, took me a little while to set up the app, but just with anything, it's like a little bit of a learning curve there. So I'm going to go ahead and put on this watch band here. Should be fairly easy once I go ahead and pull that out of there. Okay. So these, which side we want on? This has just these little tabs here. Just put one in there. Which way do I want this to go though? If I want it to go around the outside. And then, I know whichever way I put it on is going to be wrong. Anyways, I can just change it. So just slip those in there. Put one hole in. And then use a fingernail to like push that down a little bit. And then you can get it into the other one. Of course, I don't have any fingernails right now, naturally, so this is going to be a little complicated. Maybe like a little slice piece of paper or something where I could just push that down. Okay. Oh, close. Oh my goodness. Yes, connection is successful. Houston, we have a problem though, because I don't have any fingernails. Okay, I'm going to try to use this little card here. Might work. So I'm just putting one end in, and that's, I don't know if that's thin enough or not too. This is not, it's not the difficult process. I mean, if I had a fingernail at all, I would have been in already. Okay. Oh, I had it under there. Whew. Okay. This takes a little bit of patience. Just lock it in. and then push that in. Sliding it under. I had it under the bar, and then I had it under there again. And once you have it slide under, it's not that difficult to just connect it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Watch it be the wrong way here, and then I'm going to have to redo it anyway, so. There we go. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Now we're just going to slide it into the hole there, hopefully. There we go. Super easy. Like I said, if you guys have fingernails, this is like no problem. I have fingernails, but they're just really short. And once you can, I know, little guy, just pop it under there and get that in there. Okay, there we are in. And yeah, I put it on. Did I put it on backwards? I think I might have. It's been a while since I had a watch. We don't really like them, but these smartwatches are very handy. Also has like your health info on there and stuff. So as you guys can tell, it's been a minute since so I put one of these on there. Okay, I think I actually put it on backwards. I think the strap's supposed to go the other way where my buttons are. But I think it'll work this way as well. Okay. So there it is. I'm connected. I can do a bunch of stuff in here. I'm just going to get a close-up of the screen so you guys can see that. And yeah, just press little buttons. I can swipe up, go back, see my notifications, check out my all kinds of stuff on here. So let's get a close-up of that, shall we? All right, so here we go. It's got the beats per minute on there. Just a ton of different things. You can see it has a battery indicator. I go my heart rate, back. It's going to show all these different things for exercises that we're going to do. We're going to do some walking, and it's going to start the little countdown, and it's going to give us our heart rate, distance, time, all that stuff. Back out. Exit out. Pause. Stop it. Okay, check. And then you can do any kind of exercise that you want to do. Here's the app on there too. Has all your stuff on there. Really nice, user-friendly app. Easy to install, work great too. So that's pretty cool. A ton of stuff on there. We just hit the back button. We can open up our stuff from the side, swipe over, have our phone on there. We go to the little toolbox, got a flashlight, toolbox, timer, stopwatch, find photos, start a stopwatch if I want. Just a bunch of cool features and a really nice responsive screen there. Okay, we're gonna back out maybe. Still working out figuring out how to do that. Okay, back out button. Here we have our oxygen levels right here. Just really handy. A lot of different stuff on here. I'm still trying to figure out everything, but you can switch up the faces of the watch as well. Just a lot of different features. Here's my step count, 49, weekly steps. Sleep duration, it's going to keep track of all that, beats per minute, oxygen level. Here's the weather, and you can add components there if you want. So beautiful day out today. But all in all, my friends, really nice. I haven't put this watch on there, this band. It's a nice heavy duty one, but the metal ones tend to pull my arm hairs out, so I don't really like it. I like the silicone one here, nice and good grip on there, not slipping around on my arm or anything like that. So really cool. Pretty sweet watch, my friends. Seems to do everything I need it to do. I like how I can take pictures with it with my phone. Now I can, instead of having to use a remote to take my pictures when I'm making a video or something, I can just use my watch, so that's nice. And also just change my music and stuff like that. A lot of times I'm mowing the lawn and then a commercial comes up or something like that, and it's like on your video that you're playing. So instead of being able to skip that, you have to get out your phone and do all that. So now with the watch, you can just simply just push the button on there. So very handy. Well, my friends, great watch here. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.